morning, YouTube. Michael Shepard Jordan here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today, I'm in St. Charles County, which is about an hour west of St. Louis. I'm at Klondike Park. I'm gonna be hiking the Hogsback Trail, which is not a very long trail. It's only about 1.5 miles, according to all trails, but it's got a really nice cliff view. So I'm gonna come check it out, maybe play around with the GoPro 360 and get some cool views. The reason that I'm only doing about 1.5 miles today is because I don't have a whole lot of time. My other job, my day job, is in real estate and things are popping in St. Louis. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a call. I just want to take a second to say I just hit 200 subscribers on my channel. And for that, I am very grateful. If you have not yet subscribed and you like this kind of content of me hiking all the Missouri trails, please do me a solid. Hit that subscribe below. And yeah, let's go on a hike, y'all. So this is the Missouri River, and I'm on the ridge that I was hoping would have some good bluff views, which you can kind of see here. But unfortunately, there's this fence, and you can't go past the fence. And with all the trees, you're not really getting the views that I was hoping for. Which is disappointing. There is like a kind of a picnic and camp area that I passed coming up here, but I'll go back there and check it out, which seems to offer like unobstructed views. But right now, I'm walking along the ridge, but I don't have anything to see. Kind of a bummer. So I'm at the end of the ridge here, and this is kind of the best lookout I've found. Still not super great, a bunch of trees in the way, but you can see, still also pretty great. Missouri River looks gorgeous this morning. So All Trail says I'm about 1 mile in, and it's only about a 1/2 mile back to that lookout that I was talking about. So I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run with my GoPro Max. There it is. So, do a different shot today. Go for a run. So I'm at the bottom of Hogsback, which is at the entrance to the park, below the parking lot, which is kind of interesting. So here I am. I need to walk up here. back on my iPhone right now. It's an iPhone 11, not the Pro, just the normal one. What do you think about the difference between the GoPro Max and the iPhone in terms of like picture? I don't do a whole lot of color correcting or anything like that. I edit everything in iMovie. So I'm really just kind of uploading footage. Curious to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. So I've completed the Hogsback loop. Like I said, only a mile and a half. Not too long. Now I'm heading back up to the big like Overlook park that I was talking about earlier. And this is Hogsback. But if you just keep following the paved path, this will take us to the Overlook. So let's go. So as a trail, what do we think of Hogsback? Honestly, a bit disappointing. I was hoping for better bluff views from the actual trail, but it seems like the best views are here in kind of the Overlook section. And I imagine during the summer, this is just packed with people. And you just kind of don't get the views that you get here on the trail, which is a bummer. Is it worth the hour drive from St. Louis for a 1.5 mile hike? Probably not, but if you're in the area at a winery, there's a bunch of wineries around here, and you want to pop by to get some cool views and maybe do a quick hike, yeah, absolutely. I don't know that I would make the trip out here just for this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please do me a solid, give me that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And yeah, see y'all at the next Missouri hike. So another quick bummer about this is you've got the cliffs right there, which are main view from up here.